Okay, and now we're on to page 93, lesson 59. So basically, it's showing you how to build all of those triads, which I showed you. The major, they do it in a different order. Major, augmented, minor, diminished. The order that I gave you just makes more sense to me. Major, minor, diminished, augmented. And then they show it to you here also, the exact same thing again. The way that I showed you, which I think just makes a lot of sense. That's why I like to do it before the minors, because just seeing it all together. So make sure you use that as your example. I think that makes a lot of sense. So now look at this major scale. Now we can do all of them. There aren't any augmented triads in a major scale, but there is a diminished, and that's 7. 7 is diminished. So let's go back through our scale, and we're going to have a big 1, little 2, little 3, those mean minor, big fat 4, big 5, a little 6. Now look at our 7, circle, that's diminished. And then you end up on your big 1, right? So again, if I do it in the key of C, or I start in C, my 2 is going to be in the key of C, yes. My 2 is going to be on D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now we've already built all the other ones, but we haven't built that diminished. So let's build that 7 diminished, which starts on B in the key of C. It's a leading tone, right? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's your leading tone into do. So let's just build this. In the key of B, D should be sharped, right? But it's not here. So we're going to leave it because that makes this a minor third. And then in the key of B, F should be sharped. But we don't want it sharped because we want it to be minor also. So we leave it natural. And that's how we get to a diminished triad. Okay, so now it'll show you these 2 examples in bass clef and treble clef that we just did. So now let's name it. We've got C, right? Then you've got D minor. Again, you could put a big M or you could just leave it. You've got E minor, big F, big G, little or A minor. Now, what's this going to be? B diminished. And then this is back to C. Okay? All right, so pause it real quick, and then we'll do that bottom part.